Hey guys, No Gas Nico here, doing another Kubota video, outdoor stuff. I bought a 3-point post hole digger from Tractor Supply. It's a county line. Got a 9-inch auger bit to go with it, and running it on the back of my Kubota BX23S. It's a 2019 model, and unboxed it, put it on a tractor, see how it did. So ran one post hole, one that's going to be used for my fence. I will be putting a fence up. It's about 500 foot of fence, multiple gates. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to do that, how to properly install a chain link fence. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, click the notification bell so when that video comes out, you'll be notified. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. All right, let's get into the video. All right, as I'm getting into the packaging, it's boxed up very well. It's just in a wooden crate with staples. I took the lid off, I inspected it, found the manual, and went ahead and made sure that the parts were all there, and I started assembling it. Really not much to this. You have the yoke that connects to your 3-point hitch on your tractor. Well, there's a hole that goes to the top pivot point, and that's all it hooks into your tractor, except for the drive shaft, the PTO shaft, which that was the right length. I didn't have to worry about modifying that or buying a different one. It came, fit this tractor. I didn't have to change a thing. Only thing I don't like about this is when you lift it up out of the ground, you only have about maybe 8 to 12 inches of clearance. So if you're going to go over a hill, you're going to run that auger bit right into the ground. So I didn't like that, but I guess I can drill another hole and allow that to come up a little higher. But for right now, I'm going to leave it as is. I really struggle putting that thing on the tractor. It is heavy. I recommend you get help. I'm a pretty big guy. I've done some strength training. It took everything I had to lift that up with everything attached to get the pin through. It's heavy. So my recommendation to you is get a buddy. It'll be a lot easier.
All right, she was a little bit of a struggle, but I finally got her on. I don't have all the bolts tightened yet, so I'm going to get to that. I'm going to start her up and run her, see how she does, and then maybe I'll finish putting the legs on. So these are little tripod legs for it to stand on. That way it's a little easier. I had a bitch of a time getting it on the tractor. So that, there's some bolts I gotta tighten up yet. So I'll run it so you can see it run, and maybe punch a hole. There she is. I'm going to measure it and see if it's 48 inches. County line from Tractor Supply should do the job.